Today's video going to be replacing the valve cover gasket, because as you can see, it's just slowly leaking. So we're going to go ahead and install a new one. Going to take this cover off. Going to unplug these coil packs. Press down, pull out. We're going to take off this 10 mil to the bracket. I'm going to move that out the way. 10 millimeter on this bracket over here. We're going to take out the coil packs, 10 mil. We're going to take out the 5 bolts that hold down the valve cover, 10 millimeter. And here's your old valve cover. Here's your old valve cover gasket. Once you clean up this area, the sealing surface area, we're going to go ahead and put some gasket maker on the 2 surfaces. Put a smidge on the corner. Alright, new gasket's in. You can line it up using this hole right here. Go ahead and just press it in. These little kinks in the valve cover kind of hold it in. You just kind of press it all the way in. Now with the new valve cover gasket, we can go ahead and install it. Torque I found online is 8 foot-pounds. And there you go. Your valve cover gasket is replaced. Hopefully this video helps you. Y'all have a good one.